little busybodies, are you ready to make a beautiful square present? Remember what we said, a square is 4 straight sides. Okay? The square shape has got 4 straight sides, so we're going to make a present this morning. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is get our piece of paper. Okay, there we go, a nice square piece of paper. And you need to get some paint. I've chosen to use yellow paint this morning. And put some onto your paper and get your paintbrush and paint all over it. Okay, if you don't have any paint at home, that's okay. You can use a crayon or some Cokies or something like that, and you can color in your square any way you like it and any color that you would like. Okay, so I've done my one already this morning. Just to save us a little bit of time, I've made a nice big yellow square. Right, okay. So once you've painted your or coloured in your square piece of paper, it's then time to decorate it. Okay. So what we're going to do, I've got some square shapes here, which we are going to be using this morning. I've got some pink, I've got some green, and over here I've got some purple squares. Okay, right. So we're just going to use those to stick all over our present that we are going to make over here. Right, so let me get my glue. And I'm going to put some onto some of my square shapes and start sticking them all over my yellow painted square. That's it. Wow, it's starting to fill up. That's it. I think just a few more, just to make it look nice and bright and colourful. Where am I going to put this one? Okay, I'm going to put that one over there. Right. So, there we have it. Our yellow square that's all filled with little other squares making a pattern on our present. Now what we need to do is get some ribbon. Okay, I've got a nice big piece of ribbon over here. Okay, and what you need to do is measure how long your square present is going to be and cut it right at the edge over there. I'm sure Mum will be able to help you do that, okay? And I need you to cut 2 pieces, all right? So here I've already cut my 2 pieces of ribbon. I've measured it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the glue and I'm going to put some on the back of the ribbon all the way from one end to the other. And then I'm going to stick it down in the middle, so it makes a stripe right across the page like that. Okay, then I'm going to do the same with the other piece, from one side to the other, and now I'm going to do a cross, so I'm going to do it from the top to the bottom. There we go. So it makes a nice big cross in the middle with our ribbon. Okay, now this is the time where we need to get hold of our little piece of paper with the ribbon that's drawn on in the middle. Okay, so here I've decided I'm going to colour this in. So I'm colouring in the middle bit with purple, and I'm colouring in the side bits of the ribbon with some pink. Go, all coloured in, and now I'm going to get my scissors and I'm going to carefully cut it out. Alright, cutting all the way around the edges. For the big kids, you can try and start practicing how to cut out, because when we go to Christopher Robin or Headway or St. Martin's or any of the schools next year, we are all going to need to know how to hold and cut with a pair of scissors. Not perfectly, because that's something that you will still learn how to do there, but you will need to know how to do a little bit of cutting, and it's something that we will practice when we get back to school. Okay? Okay, so there we have it. We've got a little ribbon that's coloured in and cut out. So now we put some glue onto the back of the ribbon. Okay, and now I'm going to take that and I'm going to stick it in the middle of my cross, my ribbon cross. And there we have a beautiful square present. Okay, so I hope you're going to have lots and lots of fun trying to make that at home with Mom. Okay, I'll see you guys just now for a story.